Okay, so right now we're gonna learn how to make Korean lettuce salad. So first, into a bowl, I'm going to add some chopped garlic cloves in there. Okay, I added them here. Yeah, there, you can see it there. Now I'm also going to add some green onion. Chopped green onion and some onion. Okay, now this brown thing that I added to that is 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Now I'm also going to add to this 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. And this here now is 1 teaspoon of sugar. Okay, now to this we are going to add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. So this vinegar, 1 tablespoon. And now we're going to add some hot pepper flakes. So these are Korean hot pepper flakes. So I'm going to, okay. So we're going to add some Korean hot pepper flakes. So the amount you want of hot pepper flakes, I'm going to use 1 tablespoon. Usually at the end, because it's hot pepper flakes, I don't know, yeah, it's like that. So a little bit more than 1 tablespoon, but yeah, it just depends on your choice. You can add how much of hot pepper flakes you would like. Okay, now what we're going to do with this is we're going to mix it a little bit. So we're gonna mix it just like this. And we're going to add a little bit of sesame oil. And we're going to mix it a little bit more. Okay, now we are going to serve this like this. It's not anything else. No, just joking. I was just joking. Now we're gonna add our lettuce because this is lettuce salad. So lettuce salad needs to have lettuce. So like this, leaves of lettuce. You guys can use any type of lettuce you want. And we're just gonna keep adding all of our lettuce. Okay, so now I already finished adding my lettuce. Okay, now I'm going to mix this. Okay, and now we need to wash our hands very well. Since we touched that and it has a lot of like spicy things on it and everything, like the hot pepper flakes. So we need to wash our hands very well. Okay, now after washing our hands very well, we're going to add some toasted sesame seeds to this. Well, I don't know where the sesame seeds are. Oh, here they are. They're just in front of me. Okay, so we're gonna add some sesame seeds for garnish. No, just for garnish, yeah. And we're gonna mix this. Okay, well now our salad is ready. I am going to try this right now with my chopsticks. Over there. With my chopsticks, I'm gonna try them. So let's see. This little one here. Try that. It tastes really good.